not something new to our president. Mahmudullah done it in 2015. Would have been great if I could have done it 3 times. I have 2 more matches. Finger crossed and let's see. Luckily for me, everything is clicking at the right time. I don't know what's the key. I did work really hard building up to this World Cup. It's not that no one worked hard and it's only me who worked hard. For a month and a half, 6-7 weeks, I worked really hard on the gym and the running. So that helped me a lot. I feel much lighter, feel much fitter. That's one of the key things I did to my success as well. The important was the start, which I got in South Africa. That gave me a lot of confidence. Since then, I never looked back. I didn't have to look back because I wanted to enjoy this game. I had to work really hard against Afghanistan to score those 50 runs because wicket was in this lower side and they got the 3 quality spinners. England was more satisfied. Yes, there's a
যত ভুল জমা আছে দেখো মনে সব লিখে রেখেছি গোপনে আমি চলে গেলে তুমি বড় একা ক্লান্ত রাতে সব ছেড়ে আমিও চলে যাব তখন বুঝবে তুমি কি হারিয়েছো আমায় একা ফেলে তুমি দূরে কেন যাবে তাই এখন সব ভিন্ন লাগে তুমি ছাড়া ঢুকো এই জগতে এত সহজে ছেড়ে দিলে তুমি ছাড়া